Changpeng Zhao has stepped down as CEO of Binance, effectively signaling the end of an era. Changpeng Zhao, or CZ as he's popularly called, is one of the most prominent figures in crypto. Some even see him as a crypto messiah of sorts. CZ's exit was a shocking and unexpected development, which sent shockwaves across the crypto industry and raised many questions and speculations. But why did CZ step down? What led up to his exit? What are the implications for Binance and the crypto industry? And what are the rumors and speculations surrounding his departure? In today's video, we will try to answer these questions and more as we explore the rise and fall of CZ and what the future holds for him and Binance. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video to find out who else may have played a role in CZ's decision. Let's get started. CZ is a Chinese-Canadian entrepreneur who started his career in the tech industry, working for companies like Bloomberg and OKCoin. He founded Binance in 2017 after raising $15 million in an ICO for the Binance Coin, now BNB token. Binance quickly rose to prominence in the crypto space, thanks to its innovative and user-friendly platform, its low fees and high liquidity, and its wide range of products and services, such as spot and futures trading, margin and lending, staking and mining, and its own blockchain, token, and decentralized exchange. Binance also expanded globally, setting up offices and partnerships in various countries and regions around the world, including in the US. Binance became the undisputed leader of the crypto industry, with over 30 million users and billions of dollars in daily trading volume. So it wasn't surprising that CZ later became one of the most influential and respected figures in the crypto world, with millions of followers across social media. After the launch of Binance, CZ went from 0 to billion within a year, becoming the epitome of the overnight crypto billionaire. At its peak, CZ had a net worth of a whopping $100 billion, making him the richest crypto billionaire at the time. However, Binance has also faced many challenges and controversies along the way, as it attracted the attention and scrutiny of regulators, law enforcement agencies, and competitors. Binance was accused of facilitating illicit transactions, such as money laundering, terrorism financing, and tax evasion by allowing users to trade anonymously and without verifying their identities. Binance was also accused of servicing transactions from sanctioned countries and organizations like Iran, Hamas, and ISIS. This led Binance to face legal actions and investigations from various US authorities, such as the IRS, the Department of Justice, and the Securities and Exchange Commission. Apart from that, the company also faced legal action and investigations in several other countries, like the UK, Japan, and Singapore. Binance also faced security breaches and hacks, such as the one in 2019 that resulted in the loss of 7,000 bitcoins, worth about $40 million at the time. All of these factors and more eventually created the perfect storm, which culminated in the announcement of CZ's resignation on November 21, 2023. Unsealed court documents revealed that CZ had pleaded guilty to money laundering charges and agreed to forfeit $4.3 billion as part of a settlement with the Department of Justice and the SEC. CZ will also have to pay $50 million out of his own pocket. This settlement was described as one of the largest corporate penalties in US history by Merrick Garland, the US Attorney General. CZ admitted that he had knowingly and willfully violated US laws and regulations, and that he accepted full responsibility for his actions. In a post on X, CZ said, "Today I stepped down as CEO of Binance. Admittedly, it was not easy to let go emotionally, but I know it is the right thing to do. I made mistakes, and I must take responsibility. This is best for our community, for Binance, and for myself." As part of the guilty plea, CZ also announced that he would step down as the CEO of Binance and that he would be replaced by Richard Teng, a former regulator and banker who had previously served as the CEO of the Abu Dhabi Global Markets Financial Services Regulatory Authority. CZ said that he believed that Teng was the right person to lead Binance into the next phase of its development, and that he would support him and the Binance team in any way he could. CZ also thanked the Binance community for their support and trust, and said that he hoped they would continue to use and enjoy Binance's products and services. As we've highlighted, The news of CZ's exit had a huge impact on Binance and the crypto industry. Binance's token, BNB, dropped by about 15% immediately after the announcement, and its trading volume and market share also declined significantly. Bitcoin and other crypto assets were also affected, with the crypto market in a sea of red on November 21. Also, CoinDesk reports that Binance saw $1 billion in outflows just 24 hours after CZ's exit. However, the report clarified that this was nothing to worry about, as the exchange normally records outflows like this on a weekly basis. Apart from that, Binance has more than enough solvency and liquidity to handle whatever withdrawal demand is thrown its way. Binance has also assured that it will continue to operate normally in providing its services to its customers, and has promised to cooperate with regulators and authorities. Now, after CZ's exit from Binance, many crypto enthusiasts took to social media to praise him for his vision, innovation, and leadership, calling him a legend and a hero. Some also speculated that CZ might have taken the fall to protect Binance and the crypto industry from further crackdowns and sanctions. The news of CZ's exit also sparked a lot of rumors and speculations about what really happened behind the scenes. One of the most popular and controversial theories is that CZ was ousted by BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, as part of a hidden move to tame Binance and pave the way for a spot Bitcoin ETF approval in the US. BlackRock, which manages over $9 trillion of assets, has been one of the most vocal and active proponents of a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US. BlackRock filed an application to the SEC for a spot Bitcoin ETF in June 2023, listing Coinbase as the custodian for the assets and pricing data. Some have speculated that BlackRock might have used its influence and connections in the US government to orchestrate the exit of CZ in order to clear the way for itself. The theory is that by removing CZ, Binance would lose its dominance and influence in the market, paving the way for a new top dog to take its place. BlackRock wants to be the leading provider of Bitcoin in the market, and it plans to do so through its ETF collaboration with Coinbase. In June, just a day after BlackRock filed its spot Bitcoin ETF with the SEC, Travis Kling said the following: "One thing I'll say, there's no chance, and I mean zero, that this ETF is approved with Binance in its current position of market dominance. If this ETF is approved, Binance is either gone entirely or their role in price discovery is massively diminished. If Binance holds on to its current level of influence, no chance this ETF is approved." Binance getting its wings clipped after CZ's exit just 5 months after this tweet sure raises a lot of questions. Of course, these are all just rumors, and there is no concrete evidence to support what is being said. However, it is not entirely unlikely, given the power and influence that BlackRock has in the financial world, and the potential benefits that a spot Bitcoin ETF would bring to BlackRock and its investors. It is also possible that there are other factors and players involved in the exit of CZ and the settlement of Binance, such as other governments, regulators, competitors, or even insiders. The truth might never be fully revealed, but it is certainly a fascinating and intriguing story to follow. So, what comes next for CZ and Binance? Well, according to reports, CZ will remain an advisor and a shareholder of Binance, but he will no longer have any operational or executive role in the company. In his initial tweet revealing his decision to step down, CZ said that he would take a much-needed break to recalibrate, but added that he doesn't see himself heading a startup ever again. As for Binance, the company will continue to operate as a global crypto exchange, but under new leadership and a new regulatory framework. Binance will also have to rebuild its reputation and trust among its customers, partners, and regulators after the historic settlement. The exit of CZ and the settlement of Binance are undoubtedly some of the most significant and impactful events in the history of the crypto industry. They mark the end of an era and the beginning of a new one. They also raise many questions and speculations about the future of the crypto industry and the role of regulation and innovation in it. Whether you love him or hate him, you have to admit that CZ has left a lasting legacy and a remarkable story in the crypto industry. And whether you trust them or not, you have to acknowledge that Binance has been a game changer and a force to be reckoned with in the crypto industry. For now, we'll have to wait and see what happens next. But if the rumors are anything to go by, we can expect a spot Bitcoin ETF approval in the US very soon. That's all for today's video. If you found our video informative, then please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get updates on all our future videos. Also, let us know what project you would like us to cover next in the comments below.